Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable bank fee alert notifications on Copilot account. So first we're going to go to the Copilot app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on dashboard found at the top left corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on settings. So once you're here, we're going to scroll downward and find the notification section. So as you can see, bank fee alert is turned off, so we're going to turn it on. So what this does is going to send you notifications when you have a bank fee alert. So this is a very important setting. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store, such as full money tracking and budgeting app, so make sure to download it. We also have different videos in our how tutorial playlist, make sure to check them out as well, as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video, subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.